Guys, back in Dakota, Minnesota for Harlem here. We were here before and got some plasticking done, but then we got rained out. So we're back today. You can see he's got some pretty major problems on these corners here. It's coming right apart. So we're going to get that all built up again. And just basically go out the whole outside of the barn here and give it a whole refresh. Should look pretty nice. I'll come back with the video after we're all done and show you guys what it looks like. But here's the before. Just wrapping up here in Dakota, Minnesota for Harlem. Got it all filled in. If you remember, this corner was pretty much starting to fail, come right out. So that's all filled back in. Everything turned out really good. There was a lot of open spots that we were able to fill out in with concrete, so it's all pretty secure now. Actually, it turned out really well. All the way down around through here, and I'll show you this back wall in here. He's super happy. We're super happy. There we go. Took a lot of material, but she's a solid one. There we go. That's another week. It's Friday. We're going home.